There's something that you can spend $7 on that will give you an opportunity to earn thousands of dollars in return. And I know because I've done it personally. If you're looking to succeed with affiliate marketing, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell because I'm giving you all the methods and tips that have helped me to succeed. I'm Barb McGowan, and I quit my 9-to-5 job within 6 months of starting affiliate marketing. And now I'm here to give you all of the best of my knowledge to help you succeed too. I'm guessing if you're here, it's because you want to make money online with affiliate marketing. Leave a yes or no in the comments to let me know if you've already tried to make money online. Does it seem like everybody else has success with affiliate marketing? While you're wondering what the heck you need to do to join the club? Well, let's jump right in and find out if Legendary Marketer is worth your time and money. So in this video, I'm going to reveal what's inside of the 15-day challenge, what my results have been, and which other suggested products are out there and which are optional and which are mandatory. I'm also going to reveal my #1 secret for success after completing the challenge. So be sure to stick around for the whole video. So hit that like button if you're ready for a sneak peek into the 15-day Business Builder Challenge, and let's dive right in. So this is the inside of my Legendary Marketer back office. And each day of the challenge involves you watching one main video. Day 1 gives a high-level overview of high-ticket affiliate marketing and also includes a digital marketing assessment quiz. And that's so that your business plan advisor can better understand your experience level and provide you with the best and most customized help possible. You're invited to set up a Zoom call with your advisor, and I recommend scheduling that immediately because your advisor will need to unlock some days of the challenge for you, and they are extremely busy. Day 2 provides an introduction into the core 4 high-ticket online business models. And these business models are the highest profit and lowest time commitment once you've learned the skills. The first business model is affiliate marketing, and Dave Sharp, the founder of Legendary Marketer, describes in detail exactly how and where you'll profit using the affiliate marketing business model. He also explains the concept of the value ladder, which is using a low ticket product on the front end and introducing higher ticket products throughout your funnel. Day 3 is super juicy and is one of my favorite days of the challenge. You'll learn the actual mechanics of how to set up a sales funnel and the basic nuts and bolts of how to actually set up your online business so that way you can actually start driving traffic to your funnel and start actually making money. You can also import 4 pre-built funnels into ClickFunnels, one for each of the 4 core business models. So that saves you a ton of time. Day 4 is about mindset. Dave talks about how to master your wealth mindset. You'll also fill out the clarity process questionnaire to really clarify what your goals are for making money online. The book Rich Dad, Poor Dad is recommended for you to read, and I've probably listened to the audiobook 10 or more times, so I highly recommend it to get yourself into the right mindset. On day 5, you'll go through the business plan class, and you'll develop your own business plan. And this might seem like a waste of time, but it's actually really important. This is where you'll really find out what your goals are and what actions you need to take to meet your goals. Days 6 and 7 introduce Legendary Marketer's business blueprints and talks about how you'll know when you should quit your 9-to-5 job to run your affiliate marketing business full-time, which is actually something that I have knowledge of, and I have an opinion that's different than what the challenge talks about. So if you're curious, leave a comment and I'll let you know what it is. So the business blueprints is advanced training that's meant to drastically reduce the learning curve for you so that you can get your business up and running and profitable as quickly as possible. And I did invest in the business blueprints, and I'll be giving my full opinion about them in the next few minutes, so stick around. So days 9 through 11 talk about specific high income skills, why they're important, and how to develop them. The skills covered are lead generation, copywriting, and sales and presenting. And you'll actually learn the basics of these skills, so you'll know where you need to get to in order to be considered proficient in all of them. On day 12, Dave will teach you how and what to outsource, so that as your business continues to grow, you can spend more time on the important tasks that generate income and have other people do the more tedious work for you. The rest of the challenge talks about how to continue to build your business and how to mitigate risk and keep yourself accountable. Day 14 is how to avoid wantrepreneur syndrome, and it speaks directly to me because it's all about how to avoid procrastination. Okay, so that's what's inside of the 15-day Business Builder Challenge. If you're ready to hear what my results have been since I took the challenge, go ahead and hit that like button. So I took the 15-day challenge back in mid-January, and I also invested $2,500 into the business blueprints because I was set on using affiliate marketing as my escape plan from my 9-to-5 job. And I actually had to borrow some money in order to afford the investment, and then I paid it back when I had more money. So I started the challenge on January 15th. and I bought the business blueprints on January 26th. So I got all of my back-end systems set up, and on February 8th, I started creating content on TikTok to promote Legendary Marketer. And fun fact, my first commission came in less than a week, but it wasn't a Legendary Marketer commission. It actually came from a ClickBank product that I made one TikTok video about, and that I set up the funnel for from scratch by myself. And the way that I set up the funnel from scratch was by rewatching day 3 of the 15-day challenge. So in February, when I started promoting using TikTok, I made just under $500 from all the various products that I was promoting. And from March until present day, which it's August 13th today, my online business has earned more per month than my old 9-to-5 job, which I quit at the beginning of July of 2021. Some people think that you just join Legendary Marketer to promote Legendary Marketer, and that couldn't be further from the truth. With the skills that I learned through the 15-Day Business Builder Challenge and from the business blueprints, I've earned money promoting ClickBank products, Digistore24 products, and even physical products. So I know from personal experience that you can make money using the education that you get from the 15-Day Challenge, and not just from turning around and promoting Legendary Marketer. If you're finding this video valuable, go ahead and hit that like button. And I'm gonna give you my #1 secret for success after completing the 15-day challenge. Now let me tell you about the mandatory and optional additional costs, starting your own affiliate marketing business so that you have a full picture of what it entails. You're going to need a domain. A domain is like barbmcgowan.com or amazon.com. I buy my domains through Namecheap because they're cheap, just like the name suggests. Domains are typically about $10 per year. I've included a link to Namecheap down in the description. You'll also need a funnel builder to build your own sales funnel. I use ClickFunnels because it's the best out there. And whenever people share funnels for you to import, they typically use ClickFunnels too. Just like with Legendary Marketer, where they were giving 4 funnels to you for free to import and start using, you can only start using them if you use ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is $97 a month, and it definitely feels like an investment when you're first starting, but the amount of time and stress that it's going to save you is worth it. And I've included a link for a 14-day free trial of ClickFunnels down in the description. There are some other funnel builders out there, but I don't waste my time trying to find something that will save me maybe a few bucks, but it's going to cost me extra hours to figure out and use. You'll also need an email autoresponder, which will automatically send emails to your subscriber list. I use Aweber, which is free until you hit 500 subscribers. And I've put a link down in the description so you can sign up for a free Aweber account. There's also the Legendary Marketer Marketers Club, which Dave Sharp has called the Netflix of training. I highly recommend it, and I've been a member since I started. It's a live weekly training call, and you get access to all the past replays, and it covers a huge array of information. And it's a good way to access more advanced information if you're serious about building an online business, but you just can't afford the blueprints right now. So we've taken a sneak peek at everything inside of the 15-day challenge. I've shared my personal results since I took the challenge, and now you have a better idea of the full cost of starting an affiliate marketing business. So now you can make the informed decision of whether or not you want to take the challenge. If you do want to jump in, click the first link down in the description to get started, and click the link below that to join my Facebook group so that you can get help and support from my community of over 1,600 like-minded entrepreneurs. Okay, here's my #1 tip for success after completing the 15-day challenge, and that is to commit 100% to affiliate marketing for at least 6 months. Having the mindset of total commitment is going to get you closer to success more quickly than having a mindset of, well, I'm going to try affiliate marketing and see if I have success, and then I'll decide if I want to get serious about it or not. Commit fully. Realize that there will be learning experiences as you go, and decide right here and now that you will keep going no matter what for at least the next 6 months. That's what I did when I first started, and I credit that mindset to all of the success that I've had. If this video was helpful, hit that like button. Thanks for subscribing to my channel, and stick around for the next video, which will help you reprogram your mind for success with affiliate marketing. I'm looking forward to helping you reach whatever goals you have with affiliate marketing. My name is Barb McGowan, and I'll see you on the next video.